Hi, I'm Rajesh Vasudevan here. For the last 10 years, I was having severe issues with my breathing, with my sleep, a very disturbed sleep. And it's not just a disturbed sleep for me, but I was disturbing everyone around me. Loud snoring, and I had this nasal adhesion. Uh, the tissue within the nose had become connected, and one of the nostrils had completely closed, and I was not able to breathe at all. And I used to keep my mouth open at night, and then I used to breathe, and getting up in the morning completely exhausted, completely tired, no energy at all to work. End up, I was finding it difficult to sleep with my loud breathing, loud snoring, and ഒരുപാട് ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുകൾ അനുഭവിച്ചിരുന്നു ഞാൻ സിൻസ് 2010. അങ്ങനെ ഇരിക്കുമ്പോഴാണ് SNDNT ഹോസ്പിറ്റലിനെ കുറിച്ച് ഞാൻ കേൾക്കാനിടയായത്. പാലക്കാട് ഡോക്ടർ പ്രശാന്ത് പരമേശ്വരൻ അദ്ദേഹത്തെ കാണുകയും അദ്ദേഹത്തിൻ്റെ I took his advice, and we decided to go for a surgery to remove to release the nostril, the block, correct the deviation, and diffuse the tissues. This was fixed on in the month of December, and on 24th or 25th, I got admitted, and that weekend the surgery was done at Calicut ENT Ascent. Since I had people in Calicut, it was easy for me. But the most important factor about Ascent is the way they make you feel good about, when you're going through this difficult period, even if it's a small surgery. As a patient, you have a lot of apprehensions, you will have a lot of doubt. But the one best thing that happened to me was meeting Dr. B.J. Raj. He made me so comfortable, and he gave me the assurance that, all my issues will be solved. And thankfully, yes, it did. My surgery was a little complicated because I had a little bit of hypertension, and the BP shot up, and they had to, they were really worried as to how to go about it. But it was, if not for Ascent ENT, things would have been really bad. They took care of me so well, and the surgery got over really very well. It was a great success for me, actually, because since January, after the surgery was done, I went for a review twice. I met Mr. B.J. Raj and Dr. B.J. Raj, and today I can feel, I can really breathe properly. That's the best part, and my sleep has ever since improved, and I feel very, very fresh in the morning. And all these things, I'm always grateful and thankful to Ascent ENT Calicut. The best part was their hospitality. I must mention that the way they took care of me while I was admitted in the ICU is remarkable. The staff at the ICU, the staff at the post-operative ward, and then I was moved to my regular ward after the surgery. Everything, I was pampered enough to be, to come back normal. And they recommended a cardiac assessment, and that also really went well. Today, I feel really happy that, I took a right decision, meeting Dr. B.J. Raj and getting this surgery done. I really thank Ascent for making breathing easy for me. Thank you.